In this exciting tutorial, I will show you the step-by-step process of creating a delectable Cookie Monster-inspired masterpiece on a light and fluffy vanilla sponge cake. Get ready to unleash your artistic baking skills and impress both kids and adults alike. First step, prepare the drawings. Draw a Cookie Monster and outline on the white paper. Put the paper underneath the baking paper. Stick the silicone tab on the baking tray. Let's prepare the carton cake drawing. 15 gram butter and 15 gram icing sugar. Mix together. Mix them until really smooth. Next, add on the 15 gram egg white into the mixture. Incorporate into the butter and icing sugar. Add on the 15 gram cake flour. If you do not have a cake flour, you can mix it with the plant flour. Stir it until you have this consistency. And you can separate it into the few different bowls to put the food coloring, blue coloring, black coloring, and also some brown and red coloring. Input the mixture into piping bag and outline the Cookie Monster. Trace on the baking paper. Exciting part, blue coloring for Cookie Monster body. Slowly and steadily. Complete the remaining part of the cookies and some heart shape. Leave it aside and let's prepare the vanilla sponge cake. 60 ml milk, 40 ml canola oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix together. Mix in 3 egg yolks. Incorporate 80 gram cake flour gradually. Mix until you have this consistency. In separate bowl, whip 3 egg whites until foamy. Include half a teaspoon cream of tartar and 40 gram sugar. Whip it until soft peak. Pour the meringue mixture onto the Cookie Monster cake pan. Make sure you pour it gently and don't smear the drawings. Use a spatula and flatten it. Send into the oven and bake 160 Celsius for 25 minutes. Once the cake is cooled down, slowly remove the baking paper. Watch closely, as we can see Cookie Monster is on the cake. You will feel like a true artist as you bring out all of the little details that make this cake so special. Let's begin to whip the cream. 200 gram fresh cream and 10 gram custard sugar. Keep a close eye on it and don't overwhip. We are aiming for soft to medium peaks. You can add vanilla essence for stronger vanilla taste. Spread evenly the whipped cream onto the cake. Layer it between the sponge cake. And there you have it, an amazing Cookie Monster inspired masterpiece on a vanilla sponge cake. Let's cut a slice. This delightful treat is perfect for birthdays, parties, or any occasions that demand a touch of artistic baking. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it yourself. Here's the recap of my recipe. Homemade sponge cake recipe. Look at the description and comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and share it with your fellow baking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.